Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is another double dip nails video. Trust me, I'm not going to spam you guys with them all the time, but they have great prices and great products. Anyways, they reached out to me and they asked if they could send me another PR package because they really like what I did with the first video. So here they sent me 6 new colors and I'm intrigued by them. So I can tell that there's like a purple, there's the hot pink, the orange. Here's a red, a green, and a little misty blue. So I'm going to get to swatching these and I'm going to zoom past it so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me swatch for 20 minutes. But you kind of get to see my process too. Oh, and I'm using their liquids because I've really been enjoying them. But my process for swatching has changed. I want to say it improved, but I watched a video by Miranda's Nail Creations on like 3 different ways that she knows how to swatch, and I fell in love with one of the ways. So the way you do it is that you swatch the underside of the swatch one time, and then you swatch the upper side of the swatch one time. So you get like a completely smooth and not bulky nail, and I just love it. I love that way. Anyways, so here are all the colors, and I hope that you like them. So today's technique is going to be color blocking because I need some help with that, and it's going to be a no tape color blocking. So I think it's like the simplest way to color block. So I just tipped my nail swatch, you can do this with your nail, straight into the jar so I could get like a half and half angled dip, and then I'm going to dip the rest of it straight into the turquoise color. I really liked these 2 colors together because I felt like I was getting like some mermaid vibes, just like the purple and the aqua color. Look at that. I feel like it's a pretty decent line. Oh, so if you're trying this at home, you want to tap your jar on your table or your counter so that the powder is level and flat before you dip the powder into the jar. So I think that's one way that's like super important to get the super straight line. So I'm going to go in for another layer. I think I'm only going to do 2 layers for this. So I'm going to apply another layer of base bond to the entire nail. And I guess that's why I really like the double dip liquids, because they're not super fast drying. And I'm just dipping it straight into the purple to match the same level of line that I just did. And then dip the rest of the nail swatch into the blue aqua color. I really love this, guys. Like, the mermaid vibes are super strong here. Like, just add some mermaid scales on it and you're golden. Actually, so I think this is going to be really fun. I've messed up color blocking so much in the past, so I'm going to pull out some Holo glitter flakes that I got in my last order from Double Dip and the first PR package as well. So I'm just pouring those into a cupcake liner so that they're easier to grab with my wax tool. I'm going to apply base bond over the line where it's like that clear cut line, and I'm going to put the flakes just sporadically over that. So if you're like me and you are just like awful at color blocking, or it just didn't turn out how you like it, you can spice it up with glitter. Literally just throw glitter on it, sprinkle glitter on it, manually, like individually place glitter on it, whatever the case is, just add glitter and it's going to turn out wonderful. And I'm not usually a fan of holo. I'm not simply nailogical. I usually like iridescent. Shifting colors, holographic is not my style, but I really like how it all came together here. And after I'm done individually placing all the glitters, I'm going to encapsulate in clear dip powder just so that it's protected. I don't know, guys, like, this is like the easiest color blocking ever and the easiest way to hide any color blocking mistakes you may have made. And I don't know, tape is for the birds. Maybe not for the birds, but I just suck at using tape. So, oh my gosh, I need to find a better way to color block. I don't know. I like this two method way. I'm just too lazy to do all the lines now. I really like this. So into the clear dip powder encapsulation is what I'm doing right now. If you're not familiar with dip powder or the dipping process, when you use a loose glitter like the holographic glitter that I have here, or just a super chunky dip powder glitter, you want to protect the glitters by adding 1 or 2 layers of clear dip powder. So that's exactly what I'm doing here, is I'm just dipping it in clear dip powder so that when I activate File and Buff later on, I'm not ruining my glitter. I like this, so I'm gonna activate File and Buff off camera because it's a nail swatch stick. Like, y'all don't need to see this part. And then I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Alright, this is like the simplest color blocking ever. Like, raise your hand, comment below if you agree this was just super duper easy. And I practiced this on a different swatch, a different type of design. I did straight lines, so I did the green, and then I did a layer of clear, and then purple, and you can see that back here. And then I put glitter pieces like in the middle where the clear was. So you don't have to go at an angle like I did. You can go in straight lines if you want to. But hey, you could even do 3 colors or 4 colors. You just dip in your jar and then dip in the second color and dip in the third color. Anyways, if you guys want me to try more advanced techniques of color blocking, or you have some suggestions, hit me up in the comments below or send me a picture over on Instagram and I will try my best to recreate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.